How to change language on Uber Driver app. Open the Uber Driver app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Tap the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the account menu, select settings. Scroll down to find language and region, or simply language and tap on it. If you don't see a direct language option, you need to change your phone system language. For iPhones, go to your phone settings, general, language and region, iPhone language, then select your preferred language and confirm. For Android, go to your phone settings, general management, language and input, language, then choose or add your desired language to set it as default. After changing your phone's language, close and reopen the Uber Driver app to see the new language take effect. If the language does not update immediately, try logging out and logging into the Uber Driver app or restarting your device. Note that changing the phone system language will affect the language used by all apps and system menus, including the Uber Driver. Subscribe.